Okay, look, everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make a spinner out of paper and scissors. Okay, first thing you want to do is, like I already did, fold it like this. And then you're going to want to unfold it, grab your scissors, and cut it in the middle. Now you got two of them. You're going to want to put one on the side like that. Then now you're going to take it from this end, fold it right here. Now grab this part and fold it down like that. Lined up. Do it again on this side.
Quan, you need to get out of the way and stop doing that. Sorry for the freaking interruption. This video is over.